Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect Power BI to your SQL Server. And once you launch Power BI, you have a new report. You can click on Get Data from another source right here, and a window will pop up where you can go ahead and choose SQL Server Database, and then just hit Connect. Or you can just come here at the top panel, click on Get Data, and then choose SQL Server. Okay, just go ahead and click on that. And now let's get our server name. So I'll copy this. You just need to go ahead and paste this here. Okay, and database is optional. Make sure that data connectivity mode is set to import. Toggle this one. Advanced options, these are optional. Okay, we can go ahead and close this. All you need to do is hit OK. And then when it prompts you for your login and password, just enter your login and password, and it will be connected from Power BI to your SQL server.